Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Huggy Wuggy. So we're going to get started with the mouth first, and we're going to draw in a corner bracket on the left hand side. We're going to come across, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that on the right. We're going to connect these together now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and then through towards the center. And then we're going to replicate that on the right, so curving this down, up, back in, blending that together in the middle. Let's close off the bottom. We're going to draw on an arch line now. So from the corner, we're going to curve this over. We're going to bring that back up on the side. And now let's draw on the teeth. So from the middle, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this over and through towards the top. Let's come down. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then again, we're going to bring that diagonal line through towards our top line. Let's finish that off one last time, bringing this out and then over on the side to close that off. Now let's start in the middle. We're going to draw in another triangle, so we're going to bring that up and then down on the right. From that point, we're going to bring this up, back through. We'll do the same over on the left. Let's move up. We're going to bring this up and then back down on the right. And then again, just replicating that over on the left. Now let's draw in the rest of the mouth. So coming around from that corner, we're going to curve this out, down, and then through towards the center. We're basically just following the shape of our line on the top. So we're going to come across on the right, replicating that, bringing this up, down, back up, and through, blending that together on the center. And then again, we're just going to close this off on the side, curving this down and in towards the middle. Blending that in together. Now let's move up. We're going to draw in a circle for the eye. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this around, bringing that in towards the top. You're going to leave a gap, moving over on the right, and we're just going to draw that at the same size. Now let's move in. We're going to draw in our pupil. So in the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then down, and then stepping up, we're going to replicate that over on the right. Now on the top, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye. And then we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side as well. And then now from here, let's just color in our pupil black. Let's move in towards the middle now. Right in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines stretching across. Now let's close off the top of the head. So as you come in towards the center, we're going to curve this line up and then down in the corner. And then we're going to start by lining that up at the same height in the middle, again, curving this up and then down on the right. Let's start from that corner again. We're going to curve this line further out, bringing that around and in. We're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side. Let's step over. We're going to again curve this line out, do the same on the right. And then we're going to close this off from that point by curving this line all the way around and then in towards the mouth on the bottom. Now from here, let's draw in the bow in the center. So coming underneath, we're going to draw in a circle, curving that up. Let's draw on the inside portion of the bow. So on the corner, curving this around, back in. We're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side. Let's step across. From the left, we're going to curve this back around and then in towards the chin. And then again, we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side. Now from here for the center, we're going to curve 2 lines that come out in an opposite direction, ending at the same height. And then we're going to bring this line out towards the side. And then from that corner, just curving this line back in towards the top. Let's close off the torso. So on both sides, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then right in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in our leg. So we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom on both sides on a slight diagonal, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's step out from that corner. We're going to curve this line over. And we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards our inside line. And now let's draw in the feet. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line over and through for our first toe. We're going to move over again, replicating that, bringing that in. And then stepping across again one more time, curving that through. Now let's draw in our arms. So on the top, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then down on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come down on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's step in. We're going to replicate that. So we're going to curve this line down. And then again, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over, closing off the wrist. Let's close off our hand. So for the thumb, arching this around and up. Let's move over, curving this around and through towards the top. Let's step across again, curving this around and back in. And then again, one last time, arching this all the way through towards the top of our wrist. And that is it. That's how you draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.